Hello and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I wanted to share some knowledge with you about Alvin Drafting Pencils. I kind of noticed, because I watch a lot of art videos all over the internet on Instagram, about there were a lot of illustrators and artists who were using Alvin Drafting Pencils with their sketchwork and stuff, and I was kind of curious as to, I wonder why they're not using standard drawing pencils for this kind of stuff. So I was curious, and it's been a long time since I messed with a drafting pencil, since drafting. So I went ahead and got myself one, and I thought, well, let's try and go ahead and execute a piece with just a drafting pencil and see how it feels. I really like this. This was a lot of fun. Alvin Drafting Pencils come in 2 different widths. We have a 0.5 and like a 0.7. But it has a really nice, like, perforated kind of like comfort grip. The lead advances easily. There's a eraser in there, but you know, didn't really use that much. Just used my other erasers and stuff. But the thing that's interesting about this is that it has a really soft kind of line, surprisingly. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that it lays down very easily. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure to get a nice clean line. Because it's nice and soft, if you make any kind of error or anything like that, it's easy to pull back up. So any kind of sketch can be modified and moved and changed very easily. But it's precise, and this 0.5 is small enough where I found that I didn't even need to sharpen it or do anything to it. It was constantly sharp and at the ready. The darks are a little harder to come by because, you know, it's not meant to do that exactly. But I really enjoy this, and I will probably use this a lot more when I'm laying in initial sketches, because then you don't have to worry about being able to pick up the line. And right here I have a sketch that I did on Aquabee, Timothée Chalamet, the actor, and was really happy with, you know, the feel and the way it came out. So check out an Alvin Drafting Pencil, about $10, and they are fantastic and you are going to love it. They're super fun. So treat yourself and enjoy.